This is the back room, the storage warehouse. This shit is fucked up, son. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn, bro, this is crazy, dog.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright. Don't run, guys. Calm down. Woo!
Everybody, associates, move away from any conductors, please.
Alright, we're okay. That was a good one.
It's still rolling, please. Associates, make your way and
Woo, it's still rolling.
please. Customers, the same thing.
It's the big one.
My arm hairs are standing up. It's still moving. They're exciting.
This is a very strong earthquake. 8:21 here on the air. We're experiencing very strong shaking. I think we need to get under the desk.
All right, we're going to go to break.
We'll be right back. We'll be right back.
Oh my god.
Nana!
Oh my god. I got it all on video, dude. Oh my god. I got it all on video.
Oh, good. I mean, I don't know if that's good.
Holy crap.